Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to reset ChatGPT data. So go ahead and open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. So if you want to reset your ChatGPT data, such as clearing your chat history, uploaded files, memories, or custom settings, so here are the main ways to do it. So on the bottom left, select your profile. Then from here, go ahead and select settings. Then on the left side, select data controls. Now, under data controls, look for delete all chats. Then click delete all next to it. So this will delete all chats, including chats in projects. So confirm deletion, and that's it. So this permanently removes your conversation history from your account. You can refresh ChatGPT. So as you can see, all of the conversations was deleted. So if you want to delete uploaded files, so if you've uploaded documents or images, you can go to library in the left sidebar. Then you can go to images or files and select the file or image you want to delete. Then click delete to confirm the action. And that's basically it. You can also open the chat containing the file, then delete the conversation to remove those uploads. Now, if you want to reset memory, so open your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then go to settings. Then in here, go to personalization. So under personalization, scroll down and look for memory and delete individual memories or choose to clear all saved memories. And that's it. Thank you for watching.